A great fundraiser. 100 women in hats. The Kingdom Kids School is beneficial to the community. They have been involved in fundraising for our fire department. They always deliver Thanksgiving baskets and Christmas baskets to senior citizens. And they give and support to the nursing homes in the area and assist in the Alliance Club. Kingdom Kids have always helped the parents, the community, and has shown support to many of the churches in the area. The owner, Ronald and Tawana Preston, believe in God and promote the development and educating our children. They have a very nice facility. Since Kingdom Kids have been such a blessing to the community, they are in need of playground equipment for the school. This gives us an opportunity to help Kingdom Kids School. The women in the community has put together a fundraiser, 100 women in hats. This fundraiser will be instrumental in purchasing new playground equipment for Kingdom Kids School. All the participants in the 100 women in hats are asked to invite 100 people, and each woman is asked to raise $1,000, and their guests are asked to donate $100 each. This event will be held March the 22nd, 2014 at Jesus Way Church at 1777 Irvine Lane, Houston, Texas, 77060, in the fellowship hall at 3 o'clock p.m. Since the 100 women have accepted the invitation, we will look forward to meeting their guests as well. A poem called Hats, Hats, Hats. All hats of different color and stripe. Just trying to find a hat that's right. It's obvious my job is extremely tough. Finding one hat that's just isn't enough. How easy it would be if hats are weird, like hats that booed or hats that cheered. Or if I could find hats that talked and hats that walked. But no, all the hats I found just sit up on a head that's round, doing nothing but sitting there.